Hi, I'd like to wish all the viewers of News Today health and happiness always.
Counted their hand up, put their hands up to be counted. Now my first question is naturally to Kaber. Kaber, Concern India has been part of not only Kolkata, but has also been part of our Mumbai and our Delhi events.
Thank you, Arti. So, your question about how is it unique is really the one which I would like to address. Because this platform gives NGOs, corporates and individuals an opportunity to have the greatest fun, the greatest feeling of achievement, the greatest exhilaration by running individuals running, groups running, and at the same time we know just by participating that we are contributing to philanthropy. So what I do find is that there's this feeling of bonding, and for individuals as well as for people who are running for a corporate, there's this great feeling of pride. Everybody comes out with this feel-good factor. In the process, one way or the other, funds are raised, and this works towards supporting our initiatives all over the country.
Just 167 beds. 2012 itself showed us that we need to expand the hospital the way the cancer patients were increasing at that moment of time when people couldn't reach even Bombay for treatment. That was the main reason why Mr. Tata chose West Bengal for the cancer hospital.
As we all in Impact 360 felt, that it is about building our community. Because normally in case we are an NGO concern is another, NGO Tata Medical is another, and there are so many hate and all. But we are in our own silos, we do our own efforts, we have our own causes, we have our own funders, etc. But here we all come together, and not necessarily for our individual causes only we have worked. At least as far as Impact 360 Foundation is concerned, it is the entire network of the NGOs that has been enabled and enhanced and supported through this platform. So that's a wonderful platform, and that's a great learning that we always talk about networking, collaborating in our sector. And this is a fantastic example where we all can collaborate in a different way for raising our resources. So that was one great example.
India has been a society that gives very readily to religion and religious causes. But when it comes to civil society causes, we sometimes hesitate. It's platforms like these that build the trust and build the connect with civil society. And I say this because it's very important you carry this message back tomorrow.
मेरा नाम संजीव अग्रवाल है. आई एम द डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस एट टाटा मेडिकल सेंटर. जो आज के दिन हम वी हैव बीन ओवर हियर फॉर द टाटा स्टील मैराथन which we have been collaborated since 2014, and that marathon has helped us to get more of the funding towards our expansion of the hospital and also towards the patient care, helping the patient for their treatment, financial assistance for the cancer treatment at our hospital. That is what is the main motto of Tata Steel Marathon, to do for the people and citizens of India. In fact, which I can say it's not only West Bengal, but we get people from all over India for the treatment at Tata Medical Center. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Balaji. I'm from M Junction. It's a Tata Group company. It's a joint venture of SAIL and Tata Steel. So basically we are in this event from 2014, and of course this event gives our immense happiness to support social cause, and M Junction is take the responsibility to participate in all such activities where our people needy and poor, and of course we are supporting so many social cause through our CSR activities like Project Jyoti for the blind people, and specially challenge for those to handle the communication and all. We do of course provide the handles to communicate, study, education for the children who are needy.